Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make this simple flower arrangement. You will need these 5 materials: bird's nest fern, baby's breath, Bougainvillea, Pokeweed, and sea holly. First of all, trim off the leaf at the bottom end of the nest fern. You can cut it in V shape. After that, insert the leaf into the flower frog vertically and repeat for the rest of the bird's nest fern. Make sure that you align the fern in one straight line like so. Let's have a closer look on how we trim the leaves. Next, cut the baby's breath into small sections. Each section is about 10 cm long, and then add them around the bird's nest fern. When you add the baby's breath, make sure that the flowers stay closer together to add some volume to the design. And don't forget the back also. Next, we're going to add some pokeweed. We need to remove the leaves on the stem to create a clean line. Then we put them in between the bird's nest fern like so. Let the young berries and leaves sticking out a little from the 2 sides to add texture and movement to the design. After that, we will add the Bougainvillea for the pop of colors. Then we decorate further with sea holly. And I happened to find these cute little wild flowers from the sidewalk outside, which I think they match perfectly with this design too. And there you go, a real quick and easy arrangement that can bring you a nice soft spring vibe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for commenting, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video.